Mega love, mega shout out and welcome to Pure Stone Heart once again. Thank you so much for watching my previous vlog, and for today's video we will do another unboxing or favorite, guys. And as you remember, last week I do the unboxing for another 2 pairs of shoes, and for today's video umikot na naman ako dun sa nearest mall namin at nakita ko na naman na may sale ulit sila, guys. So naka-order na naman ako naka-buy na naman ako ng another pair of shoes. So ito yung nabili ko na naman, guys. Last week nakabili ako ng dalawa, and this week nakabili din ako ng another 2 pairs. Ito yun siya, guys, ang nabili. Converse pa rin. So, Converse pa rin yung nabili ko. Yan, ito, this one. This is the Converse that I got. Yeah. I really like the platform, this one, because very like 3 inches platform, guys. Yeah, this one. This is the new pair that I got. See, the color combination is very nice. Yes, this is very elegant. The Converse is very elegant, guys. Very nice. See the color? It's indeed. And then we have another one. What happened to me? And this one, another one, guys. Again, see the color combination. This one and this one. The color, the green color. This one what's really love me, guys. The design here and the design. Yeah, the platform again, the design, the combination, the details are so perfect. Converse. Yeah, this one. So these are the 3 colors that I've got. This one. See, look at what I've got this week, guys. And actually, this is sale. I don't want to buy naman pag hindi siya sale, guys. Less price, really, like 70%. Yeah, 70% of their 70% of the price that is valued for this one. At saka satisfying lang, guys. I'm so satisfied with what I got because 70%, 60% is the discount price. So once again, this is Pure Stone Heart, and thank you so much for watching my video. share our video and subscribe. Thank you.